Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to fix slide to type not working on iPhone. Typing on an iPhone is usually quick and effortless, especially with the slide to type feature that lets you swipe across the keyboard instead of tapping each letter. However, if slide to type suddenly stops working after an iOS update, doesn't recognize your swipes, or refuses to enter words correctly, it can make typing slower and more frustrating. Fortunately, the issue is often caused by simple settings, temporary software glitches, or keyboard related problems that are easy to resolve. So, if that's exactly what you're looking for, I have got you covered with some quick fixes. That said, let's get started. So, first, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to select Keyboard. After that, you have to disable the toggle located right next to Slide to Type. Then you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, head over to the same keyboard section. And then you have to enable the toggle located right next to Slide to Type. Then you have to bring up the software keyboard in an app like Messages or Notes and try using the Slide to Type feature. The slide to type feature on iPhone lets you type by gliding your finger from one letter to the next instead of tapping each key individually. As you swipe across the keyboard, iOS analyzes the path of your finger along with its built-in language model and predictive text technology to determine the word you intend to type. Once you lift your finger, the most likely word is inserted automatically, and the keyboard continues to suggest corrections or the next word based on the context of your sentence. This makes one handed typing faster, smoother, and more convenient, especially when you are composing messages or emails on the go. It's worth pointing out that if the slide to type feature feels a bit slow or doesn't move swiftly, remove the screen guard. If the screen protector has lost its touch sensitivity, there is a high chance that it could be causing the trouble. If unable to use the slide to type feature in a third party app, ensure that the app is updated to the latest version. Keep in mind that not all apps support this feature, so make sure that the app is in compliance with this keyboard feature. Just head over to the App Store on your device and then you have to tap your profile located at the top right. After that, choose App Updates. Then you have to find the app in question and update it. Once that's done, launch the app and then slide to tap. Hopefully, it should work properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it. And do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you in the next one.